Huwag mong ibayin yung mga short-term pleasure sa long-term success mo. Immediatitis. This is one of the life issues that causes so much problem in our lives, especially to the believers in the body of Christ, is the impulsiveness and instant gratification. The tendency to desire for quick fulfillment of urges. Gusto yung, kung ano ang urge, gustong matumanda yun, gustong kaagad-agad andyan. Yung mga short-term pleasure, yung mga quick fix, gustong ayusin kaagad. The desire for immediate reward and immediate enjoyment. The result will not only make one stressed and anxious, but definitely depressed. Lagi mo lang parang sinasatisfy yung self mo, pinufulfill mo yung desire niya kaagad, and that will make you frustrated in the future. Especially ngayon, panahon ngayon, no, artificial intelligence na. People become more and more dependent due to the vast amounts of data to provide insights and improve decision-making across various sectors instantly. Gusto mo nang malaman ang mga bagay-bagay, no, andyan ka agad, no? Wikipedia, Google, I mean, it is easy. Tama ba? Kaya ang bilis na magbigay ng information. Ang problema, loaded ka na masyado ng information pero hindi mo naman nabibigyan ng application, kaya depressed ka. Kaya anxious ka, lumalaki yung ulo mo, ulo lang. The Bible clearly says, an inheritance obtained too early in life is not a blessing in the end. Yung mga taong mahilig sa now, ay nako, kawawa yung future mo. Sabi ni King Solomon, settling rich quick may turn out to be a curse. So, it's a principle, okay, na kailangan natin mag-take heed because what comes easy won't last and what lasts won't come easy. So aside from self-discipline, the antidote to immediatitis is to know and understand our three existential realities. So this is why God laid down laws and principles to follow in order to align ourselves within the boundaries of His original will and intents, which is good, acceptable, and perfect. No, be careful not to compromise what you desire most or what you want now. Kasi ang tanong, yung desire mo ba, desire ba ng Lord? Perfect ba yan para sa'yo? Or desire mo yan para sa sarili mo na mahuhulog ka lang sa good and acceptable? No, sayang naman yung discipline mo na dinideprive mo yung sarili mo and then it will end up only to just be good and acceptable, not perfect. Sino gusto maging successful? Come on! Then you must activate that ability to discipline yourself in delaying gratification.